Work of the Saints, Part 3. In the first two parts, we learnt about Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev, and Sant Dhyaneshwar. Now we begin with Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath lived in Paithan, Aurangabad district. Godavari river flows near there. Eknath born and brought up here. He believed in the teachings of Sant Dhyaneshwar and Namdev. He carried forward the work of the Sant Dhyaneshwar and Namdev. He asked people to pray to God, wrote a lot of religious songs, abhangs, ovis, and bharuds. He spread the message of equality and love. Incident from Sant Eknath's life, where he set his own example and gave the message of equality and love. One hot afternoon, when he went to bathe in Godavari river, he heard a child crying. He saw the child and picked him up. In those days, there were lot of discrimination of caste, and people not used to touch, eat, or help if any person is lower in the caste to them. But Eknath, with picking up the child and help him to reach his home back, set a great example of equality and love. He was also kind to dumb animals. His many verses and songs are present in Guru Granth Sahib, book of Sikh. As he also a follower of Namdev, even Namdev's many verses were present in the Guru Granth Sahib. Sant Eknath temple at Paithan. Still people go and worship over there. Sant Tukaram lived in Dehu near Pune. He owned a farm and a grocery shop. His father was a moneylender. Moneylender means giving money on some low amount of interest to needy people. Tukaram drowned in the river Indrayani all the records of loan. Tukaram freed people from his father's loan. He threw records of the loans in the river. Many people got relief from the loan. He used to go to hills and sings bhajans to praise the Lord Vitthal. He was a devotee of Vitthal. He would go to Pandharpur on the 11th day Ekadashi of Asad and Kartik. He spread the message of equality and love. He taught people to be kind, to forgive, to help, to weak, and to live peacefully. Songs of Tukaram are written together in a book called Tukaram Gatha. Still, people read it in every house. Tukaram was 22 years older than Shivaji. He died when Shivaji was 19 years old.